The frontals right here. The parietals right here. The optical is right here in the back. The external optical protuberance is right here. It stabilizes the vertebrae of the neck. The temporal would be right here. The temporal mandible joint is right here. The mastoid process is right here. The styloid process is over here. The internal acoustic medius is right here. The squamous part is right here. This is the internal view. The temporal bone is over here. The structures are housed are the auditory ossicles. The internal acoustic medius is over here. There's a hole here. What passes through there is a vestibular nerve. The internal, there's a superior orbital fissure, right here. What passes through there is the inferior orbital fissure. The lesser wings are over here. The greater wings are over here. The optic canal are over here. And the stella turcica are over here. What passes through the optic canal is the optic nerve, and the structure that fits in the stella is the pituitary gland. The ethmoid, the crista galli is over here, and the critibiform plate is over here. The crista galli projects from the cribriform plate, and what passes through the holes of the cribriform plate is the olfactory fomina. And the sutures are the coronal sutures, which is this one right here in the front. It's the frontal and the parietal. The sagittal is right here. Is the parietal. The lamboid structure is right here, which consists of the parietal and the occipital. And the squamous is the side ones right here. The vertebrate column, the four curves are cervical curve, thoracic curve, lumbar curve, and sacral curve. There are 7 vertebrae of the cervical cord. The atlas is right here. What's unique about this is it applies the blood to the brain. The thoracic vertebrae has 12. The spinaceous process are these ones right here. The transverse process right here. The invertebral forearm are right here. The the body is right here. the position of the intertubal disc are right here. The facial bones the maxilla is right here. The nasal bone is right here. The zygomatic bone is right here. The ethmoid bone is right here. The two bones that form the zygomatic is the zygomatic process and the temporal bone. The vomer is right here. The two bones form the nasal septum is the ethmoid and the vomer. The inferior nasal concha is over here. That provides rapid warming and humidification of air as it passes through the lungs. The mandible is right here. The body is right here. The angle is right here. The ramus is over here. The mandibular condyles are right here. The mandibular notch is right here. And the coronoid process is right here. Back to the lumbar vertebrae. Forgot to do that. The sacrum is right here. And the bone, which is the coccyx, is right here. The lumbar has 5 vertebrae. The sternum would be the bone in the chest right here. The manubrium is right here. The body is right here. The xiphoid process is right here. The jugular notch is right here. The true ribs are the 7 of them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the false ribs are right here. The floating ribs are these ribs right here. The head would be right here. The neck would be right here. And the tubercle of a rib is right here. All 12 ribs articulate with the vertebrae of the spine.